Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 4K actitop camcorder. It's a 48 megapixel. This is a day mode as well as a night shoot mode camera. So this is the external microphone. This camcorder also has the internal microphone. The camcorder comes with 2 battery, and this is one of those battery. These are the key functions. It has a charger port, microphone port, and the digital cable port. This is a LCD panel. You can change the menu from the LCD panel as well. The LCD panel is pretty much flexible. It will turns all the directions. So this is the 4K actitop day and night shoot camera. I have taken day videos and the night videos of this camcorder, and I want to show those videos what it's like to shoot from the 4K actitop camera. So let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Killarney Park. This is the view. It's incredible here in Killarney. This is a Ross Lake, a famous Ross Lake. These lakes and those mountains, we actually create the Killarney town in 1760s, when the Lord of Kenmare saw the future, the commercial opportunities, then he lend a free lease and then build the hotels and inns. After that, he created 4 major road to connect to the outer world. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the mountains and these lakes. They create the Killarney. See, people are enjoying their leisure activities. The kid is getting a bit cranky. Sit. This is the actitop 4K camcorder. This camera has a day mode and the night mode. This is a night mode version. So now here I am recording my room. As you can see, it's light on and everything is clear. Wall, the posters, everything. Now I'm gonna off the light and I wanna record after that. So it's dark here, can't see nothing. That's my computer, it's outside. Now I'm gonna put my night vision. So this is a night vision on, and you can see everything. I cannot see. I only can see through the camera LCD. Otherwise, it's pretty much dark to see around me. Once again, when I off the night vision, this is what you look. It's dark. My computer outside the window. It's dark. Now I'm gonna put my night vision on, and suddenly you can see clearly everything. The night vision only works inside the room, inside the house. But if you go outside and try to use night vision, you won't work. You won't work properly, because the night vision has these infrared lights. It has to reflect from the nearby source, wall or something. It has to reflect, then you can see. But outside there is no wall, no nothing. It's outside is infinity. No wall there outside. So the infrared won't reflect. That's the reason you cannot, the night vision cannot work like this. As you can see now, it won't work this good outside. So it's not a good idea to use night vision outside. It's only good inside the room or inside the house. And hope you enjoy the video, and hope this video give you the idea about the 4K actitop camcorder. So I'm gonna end this video. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching.